folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two simple methods on how to pin your Google Chrome browser in your taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, you'll be able to see a best match here. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and you would be able to bring up this small window where here you can click on pin to taskbar. So the moment you click on it, you will be able to pin your Google Chrome browser here in your taskbar. So as you can see, it is being placed here at my taskbar. So let me just unpin it so that I can show you the second method. So the second method would be you need to create a Google Chrome shortcut here at the desktop. In my case, I have already created, but if you don't have any, you can navigate to the button search bar, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed on this down arrow. Okay, click on this down arrow and go with open file location. The moment you click on it, you will be redirected to the location where your Google Chrome browser is being saved to. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with the spaced icon beside on the cat icon. Once you have do that, please close the window, do a right click, and go with paste. Okay, click on replace the file destination since I have created already mine here in my desktop. So once you have created a shortcut here at the desktop, all you need to do is you need to do a right click. Okay, let me just bring up my Google Chrome browser to center so that you can see it clearly. Do a right click, please. And once you have do it, please go with show more options. And under the show more options window, here in this window, you can see their pin to taskbar next to scan with Microsoft Defender. So all you need to do is you need to click on pin to taskbar, and in that way or manner, you have just successfully pinned your Google Chrome browser in your taskbar. So this is good for easy access since you will no longer search it at the button search bar. You can easily access here, but by a single tap, you can now open or bring up your Google Chrome browser. So if you have used your Google Chrome browser mostly in your Windows laptop or computer, I would suggest to pin it in your taskbar for easy access. So from here, you can search anything like what is the verb. Click on enter, and in that way, you would be able to see easy step. Okay, so you can now close the window and enjoy using your Google Chrome browser upon accessing here at the taskbar. Okay, so those are the two simple methods in how to pin your Google Chrome in your taskbar. If those methods help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.